Here are the exercises for Chapter 18. We're just going to play with the course project. Now, we had before an array of CDs. It was a dynamically allocated array of CDs. We used malloc to create it for us. What we're going to do now is we're going to go back to an array again. We're not going to use malloc to generate our CDs. We're going to have a static array of 100 pointers. Let's say 100, doesn't have to be 100, can be any number you like. A static array of pointers, and each one of them is going to be individually malloced and freed CD. Okay. Now, how does that help our program? Well, it doesn't. It doesn't actually improve the program at all. In fact, it's the opposite. It makes the program unnecessarily complex because now we've got an array of pointers to things rather than just an array of things. The reason I'm showing it to you, the reason I want you to do this, is because arrays of pointers are a very, very common construct in C programming, and you have to be able to understand them. You have to be able to code them. So that's why we're doing it. Also, our program has a limitation on it now. We've gone back to a fixed maximum number of CDs, in other words 100. So we've lost our ability to increase the number of CDs indefinitely. However, the way that we did it before, by using malloc and realloc and realloc to increase the size of our array every time we added one, that was just wrong. That's not the way you're supposed to do it. If you really want a dynamically allocated set of things, like CDs, you don't use malloc, realloc, realloc, realloc. What you do instead is you create something like a linked list, or a binary tree, or some other dynamic data structure. And we're not really going to cover those, although we'll touch on linked lists right at the end of the course. The previous way that we had our course project was not very well designed anyway. I will actually provide a worked solution to how it really should be created using a linked list. That is going to be, if you like, a super advanced exercise right at the end of the course. Anyway, just for now, we want a static array of dynamically allocated CDs. See if you can create one of those. Have a little sneak peek at my code if you need to, but see if you can try and do it yourself. Okay, good luck.